This morning we are in Maspeth, Queens, and we're gonna go around and try to clean up some of these rain gardens. The city's been installing these over the past 5 years. I think they've installed thousands of these all over. And basically these are to help out the wastewater treatment centers. When it rains a lot, they overflow and they have to discharge waste untreated into the waterways. Each one of these is supposed to be able to hold up to about 2,500 gallons of water. So this may be the worst one yet. The other thing you'll notice is they do plant different stuff in each one of these. Sometimes they do a tree and plants. This one looks more like bushes, but they mix it up a lot. Alright, so we did what we could here, and I think it's looking a little bit better. So we did what we could to clean this spot up. I think it's looking a little bit better. Apparently this one was doubling as an ashtray. We got as much of this out as we could. There's still probably a decent amount in there. So we're gonna have to call it a day. Both of our trash grabbers gave out. This one lost a pin. We sort of fixed it, but it's not working too well. Something snapped on the other one. It doesn't close all the way. It doesn't have the resistance it used to. So we're going to have to, get these fixed or replaced, and then we'll be back out here.